Prior to FireBootCamp, I was a research associate at SSW, and I was working on aeroacoustic, so mostly interested in reducing aircraft noise, so something totally different from, coding.
Hi, I'm Isaac. I'm an SSW software developer, and I am also a FireBootCamp graduate. While I was doing the FireBootCamp, I was also studying, so I was in my final year at uni, the University of Sydney, studying a Bachelor of Engineering.
I was considering changing career for a long time. I just didn't have the guts to do it. And at some point, I just decided to go for it. And the reason I chose software is mostly because I wanted a job where I can work remotely. I can work in a company too. And also where I can use logic, because I love, solving problems.
It's pretty intimidating in the IT and software space to know where you might want to go as someone who's just coming into it. So I knew I wanted to do an internship to kind of back the theory side of things I was doing at uni, because SSW is so willing to train you. A number of other fields that I didn't expect that I would get some experience in.
Well, for me, there was a lot of different things that were demanding, because I started from scratch, learning all the vocabulary first of IT, which I didn't really know. This was like the first challenge for me. Then also just learn all the concepts, because it's not just about coding, it's also about communication, working in a team. There's so many aspects to it.
The course was definitely concerned about my coding, but it was also concerned about my communication and how I was operating inside a team. So there was a lot of trying to standardize the way I'm communicating by a certain set of practices, and that made my communication really effective. I would say that SSW is really quite invested in, seeing its development team and even its interns develop their software skills and interpersonal skills and continue learning as they work. And I think it's quite a hard environment to find.
I'm surprised how much I learned in 3 months, starting from nothing, and ended up being hired in the company afterwards, like feeling like I actually was complete or enough to work as a dev. So definitely, like from my experience, knowing I started from scratch and I learned a lot in 3 months, of course, go for it.